This is a 90-second NFC tutorial on how to read NFC tags with the latest iOS 14 iPhone operating system. iOS 14 adds a built-in NFC tag reader, so iPhone 7, 8 and 10 users no longer need to download an app. If you have an iPhone 6 or older, then you still cannot read NFC tags regardless of whether you upgrade to iOS 14 or install an app. If you have an iPhone 10s, 10R, 11 or newer, then background NFC tag scanning is built in and iOS 14 doesn't change how you interact with NFC tags. First, make sure you have downloaded and installed the latest iOS 14 operating system. Second, make sure you've got your NFC tag. Note that your NFC tag needs to have been encoded, ideally with a web link. You can encode NFC tags with your iPhone. See our video on encoding NFC tags with an iPhone. Alternatively, ask Ceratag to encode them for you or use any NFC-enabled Android device. With your NFC tag ready, unlock your phone and access the control center. On this iPhone 7, we'll swipe up from the bottom. With iOS 14, Apple have added a new NFC tag reader icon. Tap the icon to launch the NFC tag reader. Hold the top edge of the phone close to the encoded NFC tag and the phone will present a confirmation pop-up to indicate where the tag is trying to send you. Tap the confirmation and your iPhone will launch the web page. And that's it. Enjoy.